Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making very easy and quick mixed salad. So let's know the ingredients. For this we'll need 1 onion, 1 tomato, 1 cucumber, 1 cup mixed salad, half lemon, 1 orange, 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of olive oil. I'm also going to use some feta cheese to sprinkle at the end, and that's optional. First of all, I'm going to chop the onions, tomatoes, cucumbers and mixed salad and add all of this to the bowl. Now I've cut half of the orange and chopped it and added to the bowl. I'm going to use half of the orange at the end for presentation. Now squeeze half of the lemon on the vegetables. Then add mixed herbs, black pepper, salt and olive oil and toss it all together. Now we'll serve it with some feta cheese and orange slices and it's done. I hope you like the recipe. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Follow me on my Instagram. Click here for my last video and here for a random video. Subscribe to my channel. Have a lovely day and like always, thanks for watching.